Myself Prathap here. I am physics faculty in excellent NEET Academy. Today I am going to discuss about one of the important and tricky concept in NEET examination, that is plane mirror. That is actually image formation by plane mirror. Okay, if you take a plane mirror, this is plane mirror, this is principal axis. Suppose an object is placed here. This is object. This is object distance. The image will be formed beyond the mirror. Right? How it will form beyond the mirror? Suppose if you take a ray diagram, one light ray, a light ray which is passes through principal axis. So it is normal incidence, therefore it is reflected back in the same path. And one more light ray, we will take on one more light ray. A light ray is incident at this point. Once again we will try a normal. After that it will reflect back. In this way. But this light ray appears to came from, this is I. For I, this light ray came from this point. Here the image is formed. This is image. Here object distance u, image distance is taken to be v. Here the properties, u is equal to v. Object distance should be is equal to image distance. If the object is moving towards mirror, image is moving towards mirror. If the object is moving away from the mirror, image also moving away from the mirror. As you observed in your life, because you are standing in front of the mirror, that is nothing but a dressing mirror. If you move forward, so image also come forward. If you move backward, image also move backward, right? Same thing. So therefore object distance is equal to image distance. Next, what is the application? What is the application of this one? Here, look at one more property. Here object is real. This is real image. Real object will produce virtual image. Right? So is it possible to get a real image? Yes, the chances is yes. So how we get real image? Yes, the question is it possible? Is it possible to get real image from mirror, plane mirror? Yes, the answer is yes. Take a plane mirror. This is a plane mirror. This is a principal axis. Suppose an object is placed at infinite distance. The light rays came and fall on this one. Here, the image will be. This is incident ray. After reflection, it will be reach here. This is image. Object is at infinite distance. Image is formed here. Image is really formed because light rays actually meet. That's why this image is called real image. Yes, real image form. Suppose this mirror is not present. Light rays came from here and fall on this principal axis. Right? Image is formed here. This image is taken to be I1. This is final image, okay. But in the absence of mirror, light ray will moving in this direction. It is pointing here. Therefore, image is formed here. In the presence of mirror, this image acts as a virtual object. Right? Here, real image is formed by virtual object, is it right? Then this distance between, this is virtual object, therefore this is taken to be object distance u, image distance is v, this is very important concept, because so we know that all these things about these properties, but we don't know about these properties. So your plane mirror is also produced real image by virtual object. Yes, in 2021 there arises one question on this concept. Ee concept melgade ಒಂದು question ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, what is the question they asked? So I will solve two methods. ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಒಂದು, how normal students solve the question, how NEET cracked students solve the questions. Yes, the question is 2021 NEET question. First I will solve normal method. After that, how to solve within 30 seconds or within 1 minute. I will explain. So they given in 2021 NEET examination, they given convex lens of focal length of this convex lens is 30 centimeter. After that they kept a mirror. This is a principal axis. An object is placed here. Object distance is 60 centimeter, and the distance between lens and mirror is 40 centimeter. Find the position of final image. Yes, how to solve this one? Yes, first normal method. I will using two method. First one is normal method. Here light ray is incident on this one. Here refraction takes place. Light ray is incident here. Suppose mirror is not present, the image will be formed here. This is I1, image is formed here. This is object distance is taken to be negative because it is beyond the lens, therefore this is minus 60 centimeter. And the given focal length of a lens, this is a convex lens, therefore I will take on plus 30 centimeter. We have to find out image distance. So here refraction through lens, therefore we have to use lens formula. What is lens formula? 1 by f, that is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. We want 1 by v. If you take on 1 by v, 1 by f plus 1 by u. If you want v, f u divided by f plus u. Image distance v is equal to f. What is the value of f? 30. Object distance minus 60. 30 minus 60. Therefore image distance is equal to, this is 1800. This is minus 30. 1010 get out. V is equal to 60 centimeter. Yes, image formed at 60 centimeter from lens. Nothing but I1. I1 is formed at a distance of 60 centimeter from the lens. This is 40 centimeter. This is virtual object. Then what is the virtual object distance from the mirror? From the mirror is 20 centimeter, right? So therefore this will be acts as a virtual object for this mirror. Therefore it will be reflect in this way. So the image of I1 is formed here. This is I2. Light ray is actually made, therefore I2 is real image. So what is the answer? Find the position of final image. it is 20 centimeter from mirror, and it is real image. Why it is real image? It is formed from virtual object. Virtual object in the image form ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. This is absolutely real image. It is 20 centimeter from the mirror and real image. 20 centimeter from the lens also, because this is 20. Therefore, this is also 20. Yes, this is the normal method. So the shortcut method. How to solve NEET students? Yes, look here. Okay, I will redraw. Okay, anyway. Okay, what is the shortcut? Look the focal length of lens 30 centimeter. Object is placed at 60 centimeter. Nothing but object is placed at 2f. Therefore, image is formed at 2f. Yes, already you studied in your high school. I think 10th standard or 9th standard. You studied about image formation by the lens. If the object is placed at 2f, image will be formed at 2f. Therefore, what about the image distance from the lens? Image distance from the lens 2f. 2 into f. F means 30. That is equal to 60 centimeter. 60 centimeter. Look here, we did this much of mathematics. Not required. Only shortcut 60 centimeter. Next, after that, 60 centimeter means this is object distance. Image is formed here. This distance is 60 centimeter. Light ray is incident here, reflected here, reflected back. Therefore, this is 40. This will be 20 centimeter. Once again, real image will be formed 20 centimeter from the mirror. So, what is the position? Position is 20 centimeter from mirror, and it is real image. I hope all of you understand. So, what is the normal method? What is the shortcut? Right? Thank you.